Number 1. 1986 Ford F250, price $9,000. This truck has approximately 178,000 miles on it and features an automatic transmission. It comes in a clean white exterior paired with a tan interior, and it runs on gasoline. The truck has received several important updates, including a new starter and solenoid, along with a Dallas Retro Bluetooth stereo system connected to Sony speakers. It is also equipped with automatic windows for added convenience. The electrical system was fully redone by Paul's Auto Electric, while all mechanical maintenance and repairs were completed at Scott's Automotive, making it a well-maintained and reliable classic truck. Number 2. 1999 Chevrolet 2500, price $9,800. It features a 6-inch lift kit with dual shock hoops, traction bars, and overload airbags. The truck also has a newer rear end and disc brakes on all 4 corners, running 4.56 gears both front and back. It rides on 20 by 10 fuel wheels wrapped in 37-inch tires, though the tires will need replacement. The exterior still wears its original paint with custom pinstriping, and while the roof shows fading, it also includes tow mirrors, amp research power steps, and a spray-in bed liner. Inside, it has upgraded 2017 leather seats, though the rear seat requires fabrication to fold down completely. A custom stereo system with a TV, amplifiers, and a subwoofer is installed, along with a suburban-style headliner featuring rear AC vents that are not yet connected. The driver's side rear window motor needs replacement, and the truck is powered by a built 502 BBC 8.2L engine with a ramjet intake. It was reported that the engine needs a new oil pump. The transmission, equipped with a TCI controller, has a leak at the pigtail and the truck has been sitting. Number 3. 1981 Ford F100, price $7,000, shows approximately 190,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a clean white exterior paired with a classic blue interior, and it runs on gasoline, staying true to its original configuration. Powered by a dependable V8 engine, the truck maintains strong structural integrity for its age, showing only some minor rust spots that are typical for a vintage model like this. Despite its age, many essential components remain in excellent working order. The electrical system and brakes operate reliably, and the truck has been fitted with new tires to ensure better road performance. The carburetor has also been recently serviced and is currently in perfect working condition, contributing to smooth engine operation. Overall, the vehicle runs well, with all major systems functioning as they should. Number 4. 1991 Chevrolet 3500, price $8,000. This truck comes with approximately 205,000 miles on the odometer and is paired with an automatic transmission, offering a dependable and smooth driving experience for its age. Finished in a clean white exterior with a gray interior, the truck maintains a classic work-ready appearance. Powered by gasoline, it runs and drives well overall, with only a minor misfire that does not affect its ability to operate or be driven daily. The interior is in generally good condition for a truck of this era, showing normal wear but no major damage. It simply needs a new radio and a replacement glove box to be fully complete. With its high mileage, well-maintained mechanicals, and clean blue title. Number 5. 1967 Ford F100, price $6,300. It is powered by a 300 CI straight-six engine paired with a 3-speed column-shift transmission, a classic setup that gives the truck its traditional driving feel. The truck runs, drives, and stops just as it should, showing that it has been kept in functional condition despite its age. The body carries some dents, as seen in the photos, but overall rust is minimal and the long bed remains solid, which is increasingly hard to find on trucks from this era. With its sturdy drivetrain, mostly original components, and preserved survivor condition, it stands as a reliable vintage pickup with strong potential for restoration or everyday classic use. Number 6. 1998 Ford Ranger, price $3,450. This truck shows approximately 230,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It comes in a gold exterior paired with a brown interior, giving it a classic and clean appearance. The truck recently received a replacement engine, along with a new alternator, new AC system that blows cold, and a new radiator, making it mechanically refreshed and ready for daily use. The tires are at about half of their life, still offering solid road performance. Although it carries a salvage title, the previous damage was limited only to the right side bed, with no impact to the front end or structural components, which helps maintain the truck's overall safety and drivability. Number 7. 1997 Ford F350, price $10,000. This truck is powered by the legendary 7.3L Powerstroke diesel engine and equipped with 4x4 capability, showing 264,000 miles on the odometer. The truck features an upgraded electronic fuel system with an adjustable fuel regulator, along with a 4-inch downpipe connected to a full upgraded exhaust system. It is also fitted with a hybrid chip offering 13 performance settings, allowing the driver to fine-tune power delivery. Additional enhancements include a reverse shackle lift kit for improved stance and ride quality, and nearly new 32-inch tires that add both traction and durability. For towing needs, it comes with a heavy-duty gooseneck hitch, making it a strong candidate for work, hauling, or heavy-duty use. Number 8. 1970 Dodge D200, price $9,000, featuring a bold orange exterior paired with a clean black interior that highlights its vintage character. Powered by a strong V8 383 engine mated to a 4-speed manual transmission, the truck delivers the classic driving feel that enthusiasts look for. Recently, the owner has invested in several important maintenance updates, including a new battery, positive lead terminal, ignition coil, rear shocks, and a complete set of new tires. Additional components such as the horn and air cleaner have also been replaced, contributing to its reliable running condition. Mechanically, the truck starts, runs, and drives well for its age. While the vehicle does not come with air conditioning or a heater, its overall body remains in mostly solid condition. Number 9. 1979 Ford F250, price $6,500, shows approximately 77,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, the truck maintains the classic look and feel of late 70s Ford pickups. It runs on gasoline and is configured as an XLT Ranger trim, featuring two-wheel drive and a long bed layout that makes it suitable for hauling and work use. Under the hood, it carries a running 460 engine, giving it strong power for its age, although the transmission is currently leaking and will need attention. Despite this, the truck remains a solid candidate for restoration or use as a project vehicle. It is being offered with an NV title. Number 10. 1972 Chevrolet C10, price $8,500, comes equipped with an automatic transmission, a classic yellow exterior paired with a brown interior, and uses gasoline as its fuel type. The truck retains most of its original components, preserving its authentic vintage character, with the exception of the motor, which is currently non-running. Despite the engine issue, the interior remains clean and well-maintained. The body is straight overall, maintaining solid lines and original panels, although it does show minor rust on the lower section of the driver's side door and the cab corner. A clean open title is in hand, making the transfer process simple for the next owner. Additionally, the truck will be sold with an extra 1972 hood and a small block 350 engine, offering a great opportunity for someone looking to restore or rebuild it to their own preference.